Welcome to your Truth Revealed video podcast, sharing the power of self-knowledge. I'm Erika Marcoux. I was asked the following question after my interview with Dr. Markman, Know Your Contribution, Episode 2. The question is, how do you meet deadlines? I think of deadlines like a marker at the end of an event, similar to crossing the finish line in a 5K run. Hopefully, there is a reason you want to meet the deadline, and you have an uplifting emotion about completing it. This emotion will keep you motivated through the difficulties that will probably occur before completion. To meet any deadline, you need a plan and action steps. Knowing the plan or path you will follow from the beginning to the end is essential. Let's stay with the metaphor of crossing the finish line in an event. For example, I participated in my first and only half triathlon and became separated from others in the race. The path wasn't well marked, and I had no idea in what direction to continue running. So while keeping a sense of humor, I eventually found the path. This slowed me down considerably, though, causing me to cross the finish line last in my age group. So the point being, it's super important to have a clear path to meet your deadline on time. And this clear path includes action steps. Once you know what the deadline is and when it will occur, first ask yourself, what resources do you need? For example, the essential resources I needed to finish the half triathlon were goggles, running shoes, and a bike. Second, ask yourself, what action steps do you need to take? The action steps I took were to practice swimming, biking, and running as well in advance of the event as I could. A great way to plan to accomplish action steps is by using a calendar and chunking. So chunking is grouping together action steps. I plan to start training 6 months before the deadline. I chunked time in my calendar to swim on Mondays, bike on Wednesdays, and run on Fridays. I gradually increased my speed every week until the day of the half triathlon. Even though I finished last, I still crossed the finish line. And as Woody Allen says, 80% of success is showing up. I invite you to post your comments below. And feel free to watch my interview with Dr. Markman titled Know Your Contribution, Episodes 1 and 2. For more learning, download your free worksheet at yourtruthrevealed.com. I encourage you to like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Erika Marcoux.